Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add Gmail account to your device Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, go to Google Play Store, and if sign in is asked, that means there is no Gmail account added to your phone. And click on sign in here, and it will check info and just wait. And here you go to enter your Gmail account username. You got to give, that is email ID. Okay, I have given email ID and click on next. In the next screen you got to enter your password. Okay, so here I enter my password and enter. Now Google sent notification to your Nothing Phone 1, Realme Pro and etc. You go to tap it on. Okay, tap on yes. Princey, yes kuduma. I asked my friend to accept this because that phone is not available with me. Yes, and yes, click on next, click on I agree, and Google services are loading, and click on more button, click on accept, and yes, Google account is now Gmail account is now added to your device Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.